There's bad buyers all over eBay that sometimes you just want to avoid the headache or you don't want them to buy from you again. So I'm going to be showing you how to block an eBay buyer. I'm sure there's a way to get to this from dashboard, but the way I always do it is just type into Google block a buyer eBay and then click this top link, and your account's already signed in. Then all you have to do is click right here where it says block bidders or buyers from your listings page, and it brings you with a list. These are all the eBay buyers I've blocked on one of my accounts. So then you would just type in comma and then copy paste whatever their name is, submit. And as you can see here, that blocks them from bidding, buying, making an offer, or sending you a message on any of your listings. Also, there's an even easier way to do this if the buyer has messaged you. So say they've messaged you and they're just harassing you in messages. If you're in your messages on eBay, just click those three dots in the top right hand corner of that message with the person and then click block this member. Either way, super easy. I was tired of seeing like 10 to 20 minute videos on this simple concept. So I'm trying to make quick videos to not waste your time. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.